Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my review on 5 affordable beauty sponges. I love to use beauty sponges for my liquid products like my foundation, concealers. I love to use beauty sponges to blend liquid products because I just love the finish it gives. Even if I'm using a foundation brush or any other brush to apply my liquid products, I always go over with a sponge because it absorbs excess product and it provides a very natural finish, and I just love that. So yeah, I think beauty sponges are very important tool in your makeup, and I was looking out for some affordable beauty sponges because all the beauty sponges which I had and I love are a little pricey. So I was searching for some affordable beauty sponges so that I can try them and I can share my reviews with you guys. So that's what I'm doing in today's video. I'll be sharing with you 5 affordable beauty sponges. So if you're interested, please keep on watching this video. So the first beauty sponge which I have is from this brand GUBB. It comes in this kind of plastic packaging, transparent plastic packaging. This is called their beauty blending sponge. This one retails for 249 rupees, and I have observed that on Nykaa it is mostly on discount. Like currently also it is on 25% discount, so you can get it for 150 around as well. So this is how the sponge looks like. It's in this teardrop shape. They have these sponges in different other shapes as well, and in this teardrop there are multiple colors available. I received this in this pink color. So this is how the sponge looks like dry. अभी मैंने इसको wet नहीं किया है. ये dry है, and this is how it looks like. The size of this sponge is already very big, and once you wet it, it will expand even more. Now this sponge is not very soft. ये भी dry है, but wet होने के बाद भी it doesn't become soft. I'm applying a lot of pressure to press this, so yeah, it's not soft and it's not very squishy as well. So when you use this sponge to apply makeup, it feels very harsh and very hard on the face. Also, since it's not soft, you can't pinch it more, so you can't use this to blend the makeup in this difficult areas like around your eyes, around your nose. So उसके लिए भी अच्छे से काम नहीं करता है. Otherwise it's easy to blend the foundation using this sponge, and it blends the foundation very quickly and very easily, and बहुत ज़्यादा product भी absorb नहीं करता है ये beauty sponge, and it's very easy to clean it. I have already cleaned it I think once or twice, and you can see it doesn't have a lot of stain. It has little bit of marks but not much. So yeah, I think it does the job of blending your makeup, but since it's not soft and it feels hard on the face, I personally don't like this sponge. Now the next sponge I have is this one from Mars. This is called their Wonder Blender. I don't have the outer packaging of this sponge. I actually don't remember whether it comes in any kind of outer packaging or not, but I don't have it. This one again is in this teardrop shape. I don't know whether there are other shapes available in this sponge because मुझे तो नहीं दिखा. I bought this from Cups and Lashes, and it is available on Amazon as well, but I didn't see any other color or any other shape in this sponge on any of these websites. So I think ये केवल इसी तरह के shape और color में आता है. Anyway, this is how this sponge looks like dry. ये wet नहीं है, again it's dry, and this is how it looks like. So if I compare the size of this sponge with this GUBB beauty sponge, you see this Mars sponge is little smaller in size, but once you wet it, it expands really well. Almost double size हो जाता है इस sponge का. Now this sponge is very soft, like as you can see. इसको press करने के लिए मुझे बिल्कुल भी effort नहीं लगाना पड़ रहा है. It's very soft. It's very squishy, and once you wet it, it becomes more soft and squishy. So I really love that thing about this sponge. इसके साथ भी makeup apply करना and blend करना is very easy. बहुत ही जल्दी, बहुत ही quickly, बहुत easily you can blend your makeup. You can blend any of your liquid products with this sponge. Now since it's soft, you can easily pinch it, and you can blend the makeup in your under eyes, around the nose. So overall पूरे face पे इससे makeup apply करना, blend करना बहुत ही easy है. This sponge is not too bouncy, but it does the job of blending your makeup really well, and it doesn't absorb a lot of product. It does absorb, but not too much. Also, it's very easy to clean this sponge as well. I have used it multiple times, and it's still in very good condition. foundation. So yeah, I really like this sponge from Mars Cosmetics. I think I forgot to tell you the price of this sponge. So this one it is for 229 rupees. मैंने इसके ऊपर ज़्यादा ऑफर्स नहीं देखे हैं, but 229 is also a very good price because it's a really good sponge. Now the next sponge I have is this one from this brand HP Bronson Professional. This is their Pink Ultimate Classic Beauty Blender Makeup Sponge, and it comes in this kind of transparent plastic packaging. So this sponge also I have in this teardrop shape, but they have other variety as well in this sponge, like they have different variants, different kind of shapes and different colors as well in this sponge. So this variant retails for 250 rupees, but again इस पे भी काफी अच्छे discounts आते रहते हैं. Like currently also this one is on 38% discount, so you are getting this sponge for 155 rupees. So आपको और भी कम प्राइस में ये स्पॉन्ज मिल जाएगा. And this is how the sponge looks like. So this is not properly dry because मैंने इसको वीडियो के पहले ही वॉश किया था, तो ये अभी पूरी तरह से ड्राई नहीं हुआ है. तो इसका जो साइज़ है वो इतना बड़ा नहीं रहता है ड्राई होने के बाद. It's little lesser in size, but once you wet it, it expands really well. This also expands to like double in size. Now this sponge is very soft. As you can see, it's very soft. It's very squishy. और जब और ज़्यादा wet होता है तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा soft हो जाता है. So it's softer than the Mars sponge, and the texture of the sponge is also different. It's not porous as the Mars one. This sponge blends your makeup very easily and very quickly, and since it's very soft, it doesn't feel harsh on the face at all. You can easily pinch this sponge and blend the makeup in the difficult areas. Now this sponge absorbs more makeup than the other beauty sponges, and it's not very easy to clean as well. काफ़ी ज़्यादा effort करना पड़ा मुझे to clean this sponge totally, but still you can see it looks little dirty. Like इसके ऊपर काफ़ी stains हैं और ये थोड़ा dirty भी लग रहा है, और इतना clean करने के लिए भी मुझे इस पर काफ़ी effort करना पड़ा. Also when I was cleaning it, it was deforming a lot. It came back to its original shape in like few seconds, but बहुत ज़्यादा deform हो रहा था, and I'm not sure whether you can see or not. ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे D shape हो गया है किसी जगह से. So I don't know, I think it will deform very quickly and it might fall apart also very quickly. But otherwise it's a good sponge because बहुत soft है and इसके साथ काम करना बहुत easy है. It blends your makeup very easily and very quickly. So in that area it's good, but I am not sure whether it will last for a long time or not because it deforms and it might fall apart very quickly. Now the next sponge is from this brand FYOLI. It's their Blendexpert beauty sponge. It comes in this kind of outer packaging. This is the only sponge which I received in an outer packaging, and you have some details mentioned here on the outer packaging. And this is how it looks from inside. This one again I have in this teardrop shape. इसके अंदर दूसरे variants मुझे नहीं दिखे नाइका पे, but I could see one more of this sponge. This one retails for 130 rupees and that one retails for 200, but दोनों के name जो है वो same ही थे. So that's why I chose this one because it was more affordable. So yeah, this one retails for only 130 rupees, and this is how it looks like. First of all, I really like the color of this sponge. वहाँ website पे mention था that you can get any color, and I got this very beautiful lavender color. And yeah, this is how it looks like. This is again dry, so it's not totally dry. इसको भी मैंने अभी वीडियो के पहले ही वॉश किया था, and इसका जो साइज है वो थोड़ा सा छोटा रहता है इससे, and once you wet it, this one also expands really well. Now this sponge is also very soft and very squishy, and once you wet it और ज़्यादा soft हो जाएगा sponge. It doesn't feel harsh on the face. It's very bouncy and it blends your makeup very easily and very quickly. This one doesn't absorb a lot of makeup. It absorbs very little, and it's very easy to clean this sponge. इसके ऊपर भी थोड़े से stains रह गए हैं, but that is fine because light colors में ना यही problem रहती है, थोड़े बहुत stain रह ही जाते हैं, but it's not dirty. ये पूरी तरह से clean हो गया है. The texture of this sponge is very similar to this Mars one. It's not like the Bronson one. It's actually porous. So I totally love this sponge. I really enjoyed using this. It's very soft, very squishy, very easy to blend your makeup with this, and it doesn't absorb a lot of makeup, easy to clean as well. So overall it's a very good sponge, and it is the most affordable sponge I have in today's video. It retails for only 130 rupees. What else you can ask for from a sponge, right? So it's a very good sponge. Now the fifth sponge which I want to talk about today is from Blue Heaven. I don't have that sponge with me. I lost it. I am not able to find that sponge. But I have used the sponge multiple times. मैंने already उसके ऊपर एक detailed review किया हुआ है मेरे channel पे. So I'll link that video for you here and in the description box. So you can go check out that video to know all the details about that sponge. But that sponge is also very good. That one retails for 175 rupees, and again उसके ऊपर भी आपको easily discounts मिल जाएंगे. That also performs really good. बहुत ही soft, बहुत ही squishy है. It's very easy to work with that sponge. Blends your makeup really well. Doesn't absorb a lot of makeup, and easy to clean as well. So yeah, that also has all good quality in that. So yeah guys, those were the 5 affordable sponges I wanted to talk about in this video. Now if I rate these sponges, I would say these 2 sponges, this one from Mars and this FYOLI sponge, are equally good. Both of these are very soft and very easy to use. Now next one will be this sponge from Bronson, because it's very soft and बहुत ही ज़्यादा soft feel होता है face पे. The only issue is the deform problem with this sponge. Otherwise it's very good. And the last one will be this one from GUBB. ये आपका मेकअप अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर देता है, बट ये बहुत ही हार्श है फेस पे, विच आई डोंट लाइक पर्सनली. सो ये सारे स्पॉन्जेस अच्छे हैं, बट आई वोंट रिकमेंड यू गाइज टू यूज दिस वन, बिकॉज आपको एनीवे दूसरे स्पॉन्जेस मिल रहे हैं in the same price which performs good and which are not harsh on your face. So I would just skip this one. I won't recommend you guys to buy this sponge, but you can totally try these sponges from Mars, FYOLI, and you can try the Bronson one as well if you like. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Then take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.